like a great Saturday morning. I guess you could say maybe afternoon. Anyway, at least I can drink my soda. Chica, why? Chica, get over here. What is it, Tails? What's going on? Chica, did you decide to try to throw in my Sprite, my freaking orange soda? It's unhealthy for you. I'll show you unhealthy. Let's battle. Why are we even doing this? Because you drink my soda. Oh, whatever. Go, Pikachu! Pika! Pikachu! Pikachu! I deserve this. Go, Tweeter! Damn it, Tweeter, get out of there. This is why you don't get your McDonald's anymore. Tweeter, what the hell is wrong with you? Okay, there we go. Tweeter. Alright, Pikachu. Alright then, Pikachu, use Thunderbolt. Pikachu! Dog! It's super effective. Almost dead, Tweeter is. Tweeter, use Peck Move. It's not very effective. Use Tail Slam. Up. No! Tweeter, why? Why, Tweeter? Tweeter, return. Tweeter, return. Psst. Pikachu, return. Psst.